Okay, so hi. I was at a LAN party all weekend and I did not film anything. I filmed one clip, but I'm too lazy to transfer the file from my camera to my computer. So here's a video of my cat. Janson! Hey Janson! 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 Hey Kapan! Janson! My glasses broke though. It's not really noticeable. I guess they're more crooked than they usually are. But this just randomly fell off. And my mom fixed it. Which you probably can't see. I can't see anything. But it's really, yeah. I'm a lazy bum. And I'm crazy, so I'm going to a LAN party next weekend too. So yeah, let's see how that goes. The funny thing is I don't really play the games. I just sit there and do stuff. Nom 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 nom. I don't know why I didn't vlog at the LAN party. I should have vlogged at the LAN party. Maybe I'll vlog at the LAN party next week. False alarm. Jonathan Colton is recording a new version of Still Alive, and Sarah from Tegan and Sarah is singing on it. Sneeze, goddammit, sneeze!